Hello everyone, in today's video I'll walk you through on how to upload or post PDF to your Facebook account. You don't have the direction of posting PDF on Facebook, so to post PDF on Facebook you need to create a link of your PDF and upload it into your Facebook account. To create the link of that PDF, you make sure you have iCloud storage application on your mobile app. So I'll be using Google Drive. Open the Google Drive app here. You can see the plus option at the bottom right section of the screen. You tap on it, then you tap on upload file. Then you tap on browse to open your mobile phone's files. Now you tap on the PDF you want to upload. After the PDF has been uploaded, you tap on the three dots beside the PDF. Okay. Now you tap on manage access. Then in the general settings, you tap on anyone with a link. So you give access to people so they'll be able to open your link. Tap on restricted, only people can open the link. After you've given the access, you tap on the copy icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now your link has been copied to your clipboard. With that, you minimize and open the Facebook app on your device and ensure you are logged in. Then you tap on the words on your mind box at the top of the screen. Now you tap on what's on your mind again. Then you double tap to paste your copied link here. Now, as you can see in the screen, you can choose to change the background and customize the link as you want. Once you're satisfied with it, you tap on the next button at the top right corner of the screen. Then you tap on post to upload the PDF. After it has been posted, you go to your profile and you go for the post. Then you tap on the link and you'll be able to open the PDF files. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video useful and informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tips. Bye.